Morning, ma'am. Get polo seats, make a bed, get ready fast.
Chandigarh Academy for Rural Tennis was set up in the year 1987. The reason for setting it up was twofold. One, we found that tennis was a rich man's game. We wanted to bring it to the poor, and we wanted to tap a reservoir of talent from the rural areas because the children are very physically fit. We found that the middle class, talented children were never going into professional tennis because they went into studies. So here was an opportunity. We said we catch them young, that means at age 9, that's what we started, and we catch them from the rural hinterland because the children may not have heard of tennis, but they are physically built, and the most talented, high potential children were selected. If you ask me if I'm satisfied with the results, I would say no. Nobody is ever satisfied. Our sights are much higher. We are aiming for the sky. And if we go a few miles up, we should say we have done something. This is a starting point. We have a nursery. And over the last 20 years or so, we've selected about 100 children or more. Out of those 100 children, the results have been quite good. We've had an assembly line of junior champions of various age groups, under 12, 14, 16, and a national champion also at age 16. We are aiming much higher. Basically, if out of 100 the strike rate 6 or 7 champions, I think it's pretty good. But we could go much higher.
हुआ पलवल में, तो हमारे वहाँ पे सिलेक्शन हो गया। मैं यहाँ पे घर से बहुत दूर हूँ, मुझे थोड़ी थोड़ी पहले याद आती थी, लेकिन अब याद नहीं आती अपने घर वालों की। अभी ऐसे महसूस करता हूँ कि जैसे मेरा घर है। हमारी बॉर्डर जैसी मेरी मम्मी में दिखती हैं। मेरा फेवरेट प्लेयर है नडाल। मुझे नडाल मेरा सबसे फेवरेट प्लेयर है। मैं उनसे भी और अच्छा बड़ा प्लेयर बनना चाहता हूँ।
मेरा नाम अजय है, पापा एक फार्मर है। मेरी मदर का नाम है निर्मला देवी। CLTA में सब कुछ फ्री मिलता है। हमें कवर्ड मिली हुई है। हम कपड़े इतने सुंदर रखते हैं। मैं दुनिया को ये बताना चाहता हूँ कि मैं सबसे बड़ा टेनिस प्लेयर बनना चाहता हूँ और सभी को सिखाना चाहता हूँ।
माय नेम इज शशिकांत। मेरे गांव का नाम बरडा और मेरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट भिवानी। वैसे हमारे स्कूल में भी अच्छी पढ़ाई होती थी, लेकिन मुझे टेनिस के बारे में कुछ नहीं पता था। अब मैं CLTA अकेडमी में रहता हूँ साथ में, और मुझे यहाँ पे आकर बहुत अच्छा लगा हुआ है, और मैं यहाँ पे कुछ बनने के लिए आया हूँ। मैं यहाँ पे मेरे दिल में ऐसा है कि मैं प्लेयर बन सकूँ।
मेरा नाम रविता राव है। मेरे गांव का नाम धामा का है। मेरे पापा का नाम सूरज भान है। मेरे पापा एक कोच है, कबड्डी के कोच हैं। हम सुबह के रोज एथलेटिक्स करने जाते थे, तो मेरे पापा ने वहाँ पे हमारे पलवल में हमारा वो फार्म भरवा दिया, तो हम गए, मेरे पापा लेकर मुझे, तो हमारा सिलेक्ट हो गया था। लंदन के साथ हमने खेला था। हमें इतनी खुशी हुई कि हम बोल नहीं सकते। मेरे सबसे फेवरेट प्लेयर सानिया मिर्जा, तो मैं उसके जैसा बनना चाहती हूँ। आगे उससे भी और बड़ी टेनिस प्लेयर बनना चाहती हूँ।
We have a fairly scientific method of selection. We go for the widest base, which means we advertise in the papers, asking for children between the age of 9 and 10, both boys and girls, who are super fit. They are tested at the first stage for their fitness, which is common to all sports. Then we go to where the primary school games are held, and we take a look at the best swimmers, the best sprinters, the best kabaddi players, and out of them we shortlist, out of thousands of children. The director of our program, we have a former director of sports of the Punjab University, Chandigarh. He's a specialist in the line. He makes a short list about 70 to 80 children, and they are brought here. Then we see their hand-eye coordination in Chandigarh, and then we see their potential for tennis. That is evaluated by our tennis coaches.
I am Dr. Nirupa Marwaha, and I am the nutrition consultant in the CLTA. I look after all the nutrition needs of the budding players that we have in our chart scheme. And as we all know, that it's the healthy mind in a healthy body. And to play tennis, we need both the body and the mind at its peak in functionality, endurance, stamina. And that's what I try and do, give them the right nutrition so that I give them the kickstart for a good game and to go on.
Gajendra Singh. I am Director Coaching and Development of CLTA, which also runs CHART program. Been Davis Cup coach of two countries, Syria and Bangladesh. I had been Director Development of All India Tennis Association. I have trained many of the Davis Cup players and Fed Cup players in India and abroad. I had been traveling coach with some of the Davis Cup players. You must finish follow through. If you stop your follow through, ball is out of control. आप जब भी बॉल स्ट्रोक करोगे तो अपना बैलेंस मेंटेन रखना है आपको. Kick back, hit the ball. Okay? Back swing, hit the ball. It takes 10 years, 10,000 hours to become a tennis professional player. We have taken these kids at the right time. They are good athletes, and the amount of improvement they have shown with last 3 months practice shows that some of these kids really have done very well. Out of this new group of 14 children, we have 3 very promising players. That's what we observed so far, but it's too early to predict about others. But Naresh, Shashikant and Ravita have shown a lot of improvement. Then we feel with the systematic training and support from Haryana government and coaching system of CLTA, I think they have a good future.
Hello, I am Dr. Indra. I was earlier serving in General Hospital. I was the head of the physiotherapy there, and I've been associated with CLTA for the past 15 to 18 years. So the basic idea why we started this center was, the motto is, the principle is early detection, early management, because what happens if we don't start, we don't catch them young, later on they go into, they have chronic problems, and which is very difficult to, at times they are beyond everybody's control. But I would say that it's a very taxing and a very challenging job, because you have to make sure that the players on the field, you treat them and they get back to the game.
I'm a yoga instructor. My name is Rajan Tiwari. गहरा सांस भरना है और धीरे धीरे करके सांस को छोड़ना है. योगा सिर्फ बीमारियों को दूर करने के लिए या फिर साधु संतों के लिए नहीं है. ये स्पोर्ट्स में काफ़ी यूज़फुल है. इससे मोबिलिटी, फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, स्ट्रेचिंग में गेम खेल के आते हैं बच्चे, उसके बाद स्ट्रेचिंग करने से काफ़ी रिलैक्स फील करते हैं. रिलैक्सेशन है, स्ट्रेस दूर हो जाता है इनसे. और ब्रीदिंग कंट्रोल में आपके बच्चों के स्पोर्ट्स में काफ़ी काम आता है प्लेयर्स.
We adopt all the children. Adoption means they're living, they're eating, they're staying, they're schooling, they're training, right from toothbrush to tennis racket. You'll be amazed that a child, the son of an agricultural laborer or the daughter of that category, would be having a family income of 2,000 or 3,000 rupees a month. And you know, 4,000 rupees is the minimum cost of the shoe, and the racket costs 6,000. So we put them in school, and the facilities include everything that is necessary to build a champion. The idea is every child should feel at home. The most important thing that I think we provide is a homely atmosphere, which you cannot get in many big towns, because we have a warden who's like a mother to the children. I think you must meet her if you haven't already done so, because then you'll get an idea of how the children love and respect her.
Come inside, all of you. Come inside, come inside. All of you. In 2007 I came here in CLTA here. Everybody calls me Anju here, and I'm known as Warden Ma'am. And how I joined was, I have done Masters in Psychology. I was very active with special children and orphan children. I thought that I should not waste my talent of looking after children in the house. That's why I joined the CLTA. In fact, staying with children, you know, they are angels and fairies, very clean-hearted people. You can teach them, they are very good learners, because वो कच्ची मिट्टी है, you can mold them how you want to. Last time we had the children from Punjab, a rural area. That time also for 3-4 months it was very tough for me, because they didn't know how to sit on WC also, and I had to teach them how to brush with the paste because they were using datun there, many of them. So it is very tough because 3-4 months it's very sensitive. If I'm very strict with them, they can run away from here because they are already missing their parents. And if I am not firm, then they won't learn anything. So I had to play part of their father and mother.
I feel our biggest success is that we have shown that tennis is not merely a game for the elite and for the rich. We have shown that children from poor families and from unexpected resources, they can become champions. We have success in the shapes of a number of champions in various levels at the junior, in under 14, under 16, under 12. India's number 1 is one of our children, Sachin, who is there right now. In the past, we had Sunil Kumar, who was our indigenous product from our earlier batches. In 1999, at age 16, he broke all records to become the national champion for seniors. That's a record which is far ahead of all champions in the past. Then we have a number of children who did not become professionals as players, but they became professionals as coaches, and they are running their own academies. Some of them have become umpires who have served at Wimbledon and elsewhere. So the idea is to create an environment and enlighten the public that here is an idea which can be put into practice. It is practical.
My name is Robin Kumar and I am an ex-chart trainee. I have selected in 1985. I am from Amritsar. I belong from not very good family, you can say less than middle class, and today I have house in Chandigarh. I am running many academies. As a player I won Asian Juniors and National Juniors in 94 and 95, and I want to give all credit to Chandigarh Lawn Tennis Association and Chandigarh Academy for Rural Tennis.
I am Birbal Vadera, a proud product of CHART program. Well, this CHART program has given me a great opportunity to explore my talent. I am one of the coach who worked for All India Tennis Association as a senior coach in National Tennis Academy. This game also has given me opportunity to travel all over the world and made me proud Indian citizen to work in Wimbledon, Australian Open as an international tennis umpire.
It's all right for poets to say, God made the country, man made the town. Here, we are bringing children from absolute poverty in villages to an elite environment. In one respect, it is quite a risky experiment. How will the child adjust? Number one, he is going to be away from parents. He's never been that before. Number two, he's never been outside his village, let alone a town. And here you find that he is playing an elite sport among English-speaking and children who are elite. How risky it was, we realized suddenly. When the first batch, we had a child, a boy who was about 11 years old. He was the son of Bazigars. Bazigars are the acrobats, you know, these circus kind of gymnasts, acrobats, those kind of. And he was physically gifted. But all his life he had been living under a tree. And to find a child who was not used to be tethered with a rope, suddenly one day the young man disappeared and we were at our wits' end because it was our responsibility. You know, running a scheme like this means that we take full responsibility for the child's future and for his well-being. So we had to call in the police, and the police went all over and finally discovered an easy answer. He had just run away and gone back to his village, just taking the nearest bus, and he said he can't take it any longer. Now, this is the danger in this experiment. Transplantation of a child from one environment to an alien environment, or is it going to impact him psychologically? For this reason, we thought that we would get a psychological study done, and we found one of the most distinguished professors of sports psychology from the university. The study that he is doing, which is of particular relevance, is what is the psychological impact on children who are brought from remote rural areas into towns, and especially into elite towns, and doing something that they were not used to. So we are hoping that this study will gain us some fine conclusions which will help us in refining our program in future.
Yeah, I'm Professor Jitendra Mohan from Punjab University, Chandigarh. I'm associated with the association, Chandigarh Lawn Tennis Association, through Mr. Rajan. We are yet to come to a stage in which we can start counseling them directly. Presently, we are only trying to build a rapport, but we have discovered 4 things. Most of them are very enthusiastic to be here. They feel that the change is giving them good feeling, a better quality of life, and at the same time, they really do not know how much hard work they would require for becoming a champion.
We have a very good monitoring report, and that monitoring report reflects their progress in studies, their behaviors, their learning process as tennis players, their fitness, their medical reports, everything is taken care of.
CHART program is a blessing. It's a blessing for rural area, and this is a baby of Mr. Kashyap. Basically, if I'm sitting here today, I love that person, the way he look after and do things for CHART children. I think this is the only one association I've come across in India. This association is giving them everything free.
The creation of champions is a long and laborious process. It's also expensive by any standards. We spend about 3 lakh rupees, 300,000 rupees, that's equal to about $6,000 a year on each child. So far, we have been doing it out of our own resources, a kind of cross-subsidization. We have 500 children playing in the academy over here. Those who are from well-off families and middle class, they pay, and whatever we save, we spend on our scholarship children, or we can say on our adopted children. We also appeal to state governments, to the army, and to industrial houses. So far, the response has not been very spectacular. Now, the Haryana government has sponsored 15 children, 8 boys and 7 girls, in the month of April. So they are bearing their cost. Now our stadium now, our hostel has a capacity to accommodate as many as 120 children. Now with all the facilities and the results to show, I think we can make an offer to business houses. Let the private sector come up. They are coming up to support cricketers. Why not tennis? And this is a tried and tested scheme. Under the company law, they have what is called the corporate social responsibility. All companies have to spend a certain percentage of their profits on socially relevant schemes. So I think here's a ready-made relevant scheme, and it can be shown that here's the result.
Okay, good morning, friends. My name is Juan Carlos Andrade. I come from Madrid in Spain. I'm here in Chandigarh in India. Okay, we are doing a program, daily program, where we work all the tactic situation in tennis, more important, and we are trying to develop the skills of these players, not only in a technical way, but also in the tactical part of the game. I think after 1 week of work, daily work, I think we are observing much progression on these young players. I think they're trying to understand better the game. I also am trying to develop what we call the Spanish system. Yes, I think India is a country with big tradition in tennis. Some of these chart program players that they didn't knew any word about tennis, they are playing real good tennis, and they feel very good with fundamentals. So they will grow as a player shortly, because they have a good base to work with. So I think Indian players, it's a question of work hard, and it's a question also that they receive more funds, more money, let's say, more sponsors, that they have the chance to travel around the world and try to participate in ATP tournaments all over the world.
I'm Miguel Diaz. I'm the president of Madrid Tennis Federation and president of Madrid Tennis Foundation. El acuerdo supone el que exista entre la Fundación de Tenis Madrileño y la Asociación de Tenis de Chandigarh, pues el que nosotros enviemos unos técnicos de nuestra federación para la coordinación en los programas y proyectos que lleva la Federación de Chandigarh. Also, 5 tennis players can go to Madrid during a month for play tournaments and training in our installations. Comenzó con la visita de nuestro directivo en la federación, que es el referee de la Copa Davis que se jugó aquí recientemente, Javier Sansierra. Nos dijo que había un programa muy bonito aquí en Chandigarh, y nosotros cogimos la idea precisamente de lo que nuestro directivo Javier Sansierra nos comentó. I'm very happy to be here to sign this agreement between Chandigarh Lawn Tennis Academy and association. I'm very happy to be here, like I said, no? El programa me parece fantástico. El programa de la Federación de Chandigarh es un programa importantísimo, porque permite, modélico, porque permite el que a personas que no tienen esa posibilidad de poder, por no tener recursos para poder jugar al tenis, pues que tengan esa oportunidad de poder jugar aquí. Es muy importante.
है